80th birthday, and we're all here. We're and we're feeding our faces, and everything is real good. And little Carl is looking right at me now, and he's a little stinker. We're right under the nice oak trees, and it's a beautiful yard at Larry's home. And my sister won't speak to me, to us. And happy birthday, Oscar!
Saving your gun.
And some more.
Okay. Happy birthday, Oscar. We're all enjoying ourselves.
Come on, guys, he's talking too.
I don't have much to say because all the rest has said what I had in my mind, so I'll let you go next door. Again, happy birthday, dear Oscar.
Happy birthday, Oscar. Many, many more.
Go ahead and talk in it.
Happy birthday, Oscar.
This is October the 1st, 1978. Oscar's birthday. We're taking a picture. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear brother. Happy birthday to you. Hey! Go ahead.
Okay, today is December the 4th, 1978, and we're working on number 27 here. What we're doing is working on this net. Me and Dad are going to weld some washers here to hold my safety net in, and I hope it comes out all right. That's it.
Start reporting for News. It's December 24th, 1979, and once again a very happy Christmas Eve. Right now, I'm reporting for the kitchen of the residence. This is Kelly, and she's here to show us about roller skating. Roller skating is very popular. You see those beautiful furs? Aren't they beautiful? Christmas, I got skates. Here, introduce yourself, skate. Hey, cut.
Just turn the green with me.
How are y'all down there by our lonesome, of course?
Hi, this is Richard Petty. Hi, I'm Richard Petty. You know, the one who won the Indy 500 last year. Well, I'm going to win it in the 1980. That's all.
I'll be surprised, Julie, you're going to get dividends on your money.
I know. This is
Have you had it in there a month? No, huh? But you'll get it in there. Oh, please, you don't have film in there. Oh.
Yeah, the red light's on. I can see it.
Lights on.
I hear all kinds of people talking too.
Yeah, but they're all scared to talk. Come on, Wally, say something.
Hi.